Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. We're glad you're here. If you're new, we create content around fascinating topics that spark curiosity and conversation. And if you've been with us before, we appreciate your continued support. If you enjoy our content, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now let's dive into our topic for today. We're going to explore something that's around us all the time, something that's become an integral part of our daily lives without us even realizing it. Yes, we're talking about artificial intelligence or AI. Is it just about robots and supercomputers, or does it have a more subtle yet profound influence on our lives? Let's find out. Buckle up, as we're about to embark on an exciting journey to uncover the invisible yet omnipresent world of AI. Have you ever stopped to ponder the extent of artificial intelligence's involvement in your daily life? This query might strike you as strange initially. After all, we're not characters in a science fiction film, are we? However, the reality could astonish you. Artificial intelligence, often shortened to AI, isn't merely confined to supercomputers. It isn't just a theory limited to technology laboratories or the world of sci-fi cinema. It's intertwined with our daily activities, subtly embedded into the framework of our routines. And the most fascinating aspect? Its presence often goes undetected. Consider this. When you request your smartphone for the fastest pathway to your most loved coffee place, that's AI in action. When your email segregates spam, that's AI at play as well. Your personalized social media feeds? Indeed, that's AI once again. However, it wasn't always this integrated. The role of AI in our lives is a relatively recent phenomenon. It traces its origins back to the mid-20th century but has truly blossomed in the last few decades. The term artificial intelligence was introduced to the world in 1956, and since then, it has continually expanded and matured, morphing from a speculative idea into a practical instrument. The progression of AI is astounding. It began with simple tasks, such as solving mathematical problems, but now it can accomplish much more intricate tasks, like understanding human speech, identifying images, and predicting outcomes based on large data sets. These advancements have made AI an irreplaceable part of our lives. The AI we interact with may not resemble the self-aware machines from films, but its influence is equal, if not more significant. It exists in our homes, our pockets, and on our screens, discreetly steering our decisions and making our lives more streamlined and efficient. Hence, the real question is not if AI is a part of our lives, but rather the extent to which our lives are influenced by AI. As we advance, this question is only going to become more pertinent. Because as it currently stands, the future of AI isn't a question of if, but a matter of when. And that when is the present. Think about how you communicate. Is it AI-free? Think again. Every day we share thoughts, ideas, emotions, and information with each other. This seamless exchange is largely in part due to the invisible hand of artificial intelligence. AI has revolutionized communication, making it faster, easier, and more efficient. Let's start with something we use every day: our smartphones. Whether it's shooting off a quick text or drafting an important email, predictive text is usually there, suggesting the next word you might want to type. It's like having a mind-reading assistant in your pocket. This isn't just a convenience, it's artificial intelligence at work. It learns from your writing style and vocabulary to offer personalized predictions, saving you time and effort. Then there's voice recognition, another AI-driven tool that's become an integral part of our lives. Remember the days of manually dialing phone numbers or typing out search queries? Now we just ask Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, and they do the heavy lifting for us. These smart home devices are powered by AI algorithms that can understand and interpret human speech, transforming our vocal commands into actions. AI isn't just about making our lives easier, it's about breaking down barriers. For people with disabilities or language barriers, voice recognition and predictive text can be game changers. They enable communication where it might have been difficult or impossible before. AI also plays a crucial role in the world of social media. It helps filter out spam messages, suggest friends or groups you might be interested in, and even detect and report harmful content. In essence, AI is the silent sentinel safeguarding our online interactions. There's no denying AI has become a silent partner in our conversations. It's there when we wake up and ask our smart speaker for the weather forecast. It's there when we dictate a text message while driving. It's there when we share a post on social media. So, without even realizing, AI is aiding our interactions every day. From the music you listen to the shows you watch, AI has a hand in it all. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the entertainment industry, transforming how we discover, consume, and interact with various forms of entertainment. It's not just about creating realistic CGI in movies or powering virtual reality games. AI's influence is far more subtle and pervasive than you might realize. Consider your favorite streaming platforms like Netflix or Spotify. Ever wondered how Netflix always seems to know what you want to watch next? Or how Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist always hits the right notes? The secret lies in AI and machine learning algorithms. Netflix's recommendation algorithm, for instance, analyzes your viewing history, the ratings you've given, and even the time you spend on certain genres. It then compares your data with the viewing habits of millions of other users to predict what you might enjoy watching next. So when you see a "because you watched" list, that's AI at work. Similarly, Spotify's Discover Weekly feature uses AI to analyze your listening habits, including the songs, artists, and genres you frequently listen to. It also takes into account songs you've skipped and the playlists you've created. By comparing your musical fingerprint with that of other users who have similar tastes, it recommends songs that you are likely to enjoy. These personalized experiences are made possible by AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and identify patterns that human curators would not be able to discern. It's like having a personal assistant who knows your tastes better than you do, constantly working in the background to ensure you always have something you'll love at your fingertips. But it's not just about personalization. AI is also used in content creation. From AI-written scripts to music composed by AI algorithms, it's pushing the boundaries of creativity, offering unprecedented possibilities for artists, creators, and consumers alike. So, next time you find a new favorite song or show, thank AI for the discovery. AI is not just a tool or a trend, it's an integral part of our entertainment landscape, shaping our experiences in ways we may not always notice, but definitely appreciate. From finding the fastest route home to getting your online shopping done, AI is your silent assistant. It's like having a personal butler who's always on the clock, ready to make your life a bit easier. But how exactly is AI working behind the scenes to streamline our daily routines? Let's start with traffic, the bane of most people's existence. You're in your car, you've got a meeting in 20 minutes, and the roads are jammed. Enter Google Maps, an AI-powered tool that uses data from various sources to predict traffic flow and provide the best route home or to work. It's not magic, it's machine learning. Google Maps analyzes traffic data from millions of users in real time, learning patterns and predicting future traffic conditions. So when it tells you to take that left turn instead of going straight, it's because AI has crunched the numbers and found a faster way. Now let's shift gears and talk about online shopping, another area where AI flexes its muscles. Ever notice those recommended for you suggestions on Amazon? That's AI at work. Amazon uses artificial intelligence to analyze your past purchases, viewed items, and even items left in your cart. It then uses this information to suggest products you might like. It's like having a personal shopper who knows your taste inside out. The result? You spend less time scrolling and more time enjoying your purchases. AI also helps in areas like energy conservation. Smart thermostats like Nest learn your preferred temperature settings and schedule, adjusting the heat or air conditioning to save energy when you're not home. Again, this is AI making life a bit easier and the planet a bit greener. In the end, artificial intelligence is not just about fancy robots or high-tech gadgets. It's about making everyday life smoother and more efficient. It's about saving time, reducing stress, and even helping us make better decisions. So, AI is not just a convenience, it's a daily necessity. AI is everywhere, and it's making our lives easier in ways we often don't recognize. As we've journeyed through this exploration of artificial intelligence in our daily lives, we've discovered its influence in areas we might not have initially considered. We began our exploration with the question, do we notice? And the answer, as we've seen, is often no. The brilliance of AI lies in its subtlety. It's the silent partner in our conversations, the invisible hand guiding our entertainment choices, and the unseen assistant smoothing out our daily conveniences. In communication, AI is the helping hand that predicts our next word as we type, filters out spam emails, and ensures our voice is heard and understood by our digital assistants. It's the silent participant in every text, every email, every voice command, working tirelessly to make our interactions smoother and more efficient. In the world of entertainment, AI is the master curator, analyzing our preferences to recommend the next binge-worthy series or the perfect song to match our mood. It's the unseen force that shapes our entertainment landscape, ensuring we spend less time searching and more time enjoying. And in our day-to-day conveniences, AI is the quiet facilitator, from guiding us on the quickest route to our destination, to helping us find the best deals online, to even automating our homes. AI is the silent orchestrator of our modern conveniences, making our lives more comfortable and efficient in ways we often take for granted. As we reflect on the pervasiveness of AI, it's important to remember that this isn't some distant, futuristic concept. It's here, it's now, and it's intricately woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. So, next time you send a text, watch a show, or even shop online, remember the role of AI in shaping your experience. After all, AI is not just part of our future, it's part of our present.